Most people work 40 years, save their whole life, end up with maybe $1 or $2 million. The average bank robber makes $7,500, has a 60% chance of going to prison, and loses everything. But one type of criminal made $16.6 billion in a single year, legally reported to the FBI. So, does crime actually pay? Let's do the math nobody shows you. Let's start with bank robbery, the one Hollywood made famous. According to the FBI's own published crime statistics, the average bank robbery in the United States nets the robber approximately $7,500. Not millions, not hundreds of thousands, $7,500. And the FBI solves nearly 60% of all bank robberies, one of the highest clearance rates of any crime category. So here is the actual math. You walk into a bank, you leave with $7,500. You have a 6 in 10 chance of getting caught. If caught, federal bank robbery carries up to 20 years in federal prison. The Federal Bureau of Prisons publishes the exact annual cost to house a federal inmate. It was $44,090 per year in 2023. So if you serve even 5 years, that is $220,000 in incarceration costs for a $7,500 robbery. On top of that, you lose years of legal income, your employment options permanently shrink, and you carry a federal felony record forever. FBI Special Agent Mark Mikulek described bank robbery as, and this is a direct quote, a quote, high-risk, low-reward type of crime, with an unrealistic view that you're going to get a ton of money. The math does not work. Not even close. So what about smarter criminals, the ones in suits, white-collar crime, fraud, embezzlement, financial deception? Operates on a completely different scale. According to the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center 2024 annual report, investment fraud alone cost victims $6.57 billion in a single year. The average victim of investment fraud loses approximately $70,000. Compare that to the average bank robbery, $7,500. White-collar criminals make nearly 10 times more per victim, with significantly less physical risk, and conviction rates are far lower. Many white-collar cases end in civil settlements, meaning a fine is paid and the criminal keeps operating. The most documented example, Bernie Madoff ran his fraud operation for over 17 years before investigators caught him. Federal court records confirmed he stole an estimated $64.8 billion. But here's the thing about white-collar crime that the numbers don't show. Madoff died in federal prison in 2021. Alone, the money was gone. His son took his own life 2 years after the arrest. His family was destroyed. The math on paper looked good. The real cost, something else entirely. Now the category where the real numbers live. The FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center received 859,532 complaints in 2024. Total reported losses, $16.6 billion in 1 year, in the United States alone. That is a 33% increase from the year before, and global estimates from cybersecurity research firms put the actual worldwide cost of cybercrime at over $9 trillion annually. To put that number in perspective, that is larger than the economy of every country on Earth except the United States and China. One documented case from 2024. A criminal used deepfake video technology to impersonate a company executive on a video call and convinced a finance employee to transfer $25 million. $25 million, one video call, no gun, no mask, no bank. So comparing all three, bank robbery, average $7,500, 60% catch rate, white-collar fraud, tens of thousands per victim, low prosecution rate, cybercrime, billions globally, operates across borders. The numbers are not comparable, they're not even in the same universe. But here is what this math actually proves, and this is the part nobody talks about. Every skill that makes someone good at cybercrime, understanding systems, finding weaknesses, knowing how deception works, those exact skills are worth more on the legal side. People who use the same knowledge legally, earn 6 figures, have no catch rate, sleep without worrying about the door getting kicked in. So does crime pay? Street crime, the math is brutally clear. No, white collar, better numbers, worse life. Cybercrime, the scale is real, but the same skills pay more legally. The most profitable version of crime isn't crime at all. If you want more videos where we run the real numbers on things nobody talks about, subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. Which number in this video surprised you most?